Talked to Stefan. He made an offer. $300,000 over 2 years.
For real?
They want to make new music with us.
No word from Marlene?
No. You burned that bridge last night, buddy.
Yeah. That offer. Whoa.
So what should I tell him?
We're on. Let's ink it.
This is a big deal. This is a very big deal. Hey, I appreciate you.
So if you agree to go here with Max today...
Sam.
Today, you can have the whole world of possibilities open to you. No more canceling plans because you have a date with your cat. No more drinking wine with your cat. Dude, you could be drinking wine with that super cute neighbor of yours next door. Will you accept this offer?
I don't know.
Good morning. How are we doing today? So nice to have you. I'm Miriam Holstead. I'll be your greeter today. Do make sure to take some time to eat some breakfast. It's the most important meal of the day, you know. We're gonna start any minute now, okay?
Great.
Okay.
Thanks, Marion.
No wonder you never did anything with your life. You are freaks then and you're freaks now. I kicked the shit out of Moira Julian on 7 Train 1, and I sure as hell can kick the shit out of you two.
Get in. I said get in the truck. I said get in the damn car. Get in.
Get me out of this. Sydney.
I thought you forgot about me.
I would invite you up, but, you know, there are boxes everywhere.
I understand.
It was really great running into you, though. I mean, it's nice to have somebody in the neighborhood.
Yeah, I'll get the drinks next time.
Oh, you have my number, right?
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.